Hello and welcome back. In this session, we will continue on with array functions or array methods. In today's session, we will go through sort, map, filter, and reduce. Okay, let us go back to our Visual Studio Code. What I will do is I will create a new file called advarray.js. Okay, I will copy this and paste it here, and I will do some modification here. For example, instead of these values, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 9, 10, 7, 5, and 8. Okay, so this is our array, and now we will make use of sort. Okay, console.log a1.sort. Okay, so let us execute this. Okay, what we got is 105789. So 5789 is correct, but I was expecting 10 to be after this. So what happens is it will try to use the first value. So in 10, the first value is 1 and the second is 0. So it will only take the first value. So that is why we got 10, 5, 7, 8, 9. If you want to sort it correctly, then we need to make use of console.log a1 dot sort, and we will pass in two values, which is a comma b, and we will make use of array method, and we will do a minus b here. Okay, so let me execute this. Now we can see the first one was giving us 10, 5, 7, 8, 9, and the second one is 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is ascending. In case of descending, what we can do is we can perform b minus a. Okay, so you can see that it is in a descending order. Okay, so this is how we can use a sort to sort out the values in within an array. So let us look at map, filter, and reduce methods. Okay, for this we will take a different example. So we will take an array of persons. Okay, so let persons is equal to and here name is equal to Tom, age is 25, and department IT, and salary is 4,000. Okay, we will take 4 employees. Okay, so this is our array. With 4 employees. Okay, so this is persons array with 4 employees, and these are the employee details: Tom, Sarah, David, and Alice, and their department and salary and age. Okay, so we'll make use of this array for filter, map, and reduce. So let us look at filter first. Okay, so here filter out those employees whose salary is greater than 4,000. So persons dot filter. So this is the method, and we need to use the callback function here. Okay, so within this function we need to filter out if, okay, so this function will take employee dot salary is greater than 4,000, then return that employee. Return okay, and this we will store, since filter will return us an array, so we will store it in filter array. Okay, and then we will do console.log filter array here. Okay, so let me save this and execute this. Now you can see that Sarah's salary is 5,000 and Ellie's salary is 6,500. So filter has returned, this filter method has returned an array which contains all those items which matches this particular criteria, that is employee salary is greater than 4,000. Okay, so this is how we can use filter. So we can simplify this filter by using arrow methods. Okay, so let me comment this out. This can be further reduced by using arrow functions. Okay, so let me paste it here. I have copied the same lines of code, and I'm going to modify this to use arrow functions. Okay, so let me take out the function first, and this is arrow function. Okay, so we don't need if here, and even this is also not needed, so there is no return here. And we can further remove bracket here. This became our final arrow function. So these lines of code is reduced to one liner here by using arrow functions. Okay, so let me execute this. Let me save this first and execute this. Okay, it is giving us the same result, Sarah and Elise, who are earning more than 4,000. Okay, so this is how we can use filter method. So let us work on map now. So what I want to do is add 500 to all the employees. So this can be achieved by using, again I will use let, since map will also return an array, I will call it as map array is equal to persons dot map, and again here function. So this will use callback function, and employee, okay. So here employee dot salary is equal to, that is plus equals to 500. Okay, and I want to log this. Okay, let me execute this. Okay, so here I have to return. So as you can see, 500 has been added to all the employees. So Tom had 4,000, now it is 4,500, and the salary of Sarah was 5,000, now it has become 5,500, and David was 3,500, now it has become 4,000, and Elise was earning 6,500, now it has become 7,000. So by using map, you can perform operation on all the items. So let us try to reduce this by using arrow function. Arrow function. So let me comment this out first. Okay, and then copy this. Okay, and uncomment this copied value. So this is same as the one which we have done earlier. So instead of function, it's just employee, and what we are returning is, so we don't need to have return here. Okay, so this is our arrow function. So let me clear the screen and run it again. So we got 4,500, 5,500, 4,000, and 7,000, which was same as your earlier map method. Okay, so now let us look at reduce. So if you want to reduce all the items to one item, for example, if I want to calculate sum of the salary of all the employees, which will result in one value. Okay, so that can be performed by using a reduce. So here what I will do is I will calculate total salary of all employees. Okay, so again let reduce array is equal to person dot red persons dot reduce. So again function. So here it will take two values, the initial value and the calculated value. So the total salary, okay, so this is the initial salary which we are going to initialize with, okay, and employee. So here within this, okay, total salary plus equals to employee dot salary. So for every item, what it will do is it will add up total salary to the employee salary, and it has to return this total salary. Okay, so now what is the value of total salary? Total salary will be undefined, so we need to initialize that value by providing the initial value. Suppose say it's 0. Okay, and console.log reduce array. So we'll log the result here. Okay, let us execute this. Now if you look at this, the total salary is 21,000. The total salary is 21,000. Since we are adding 500 to each and every employee salary, so this is our latest array. So if you calculate from here, so 7,000 plus 4,000, so 4,500 plus 5,500 is 10,000. 10,000 plus 7,000 is 17,000 plus 4,000, which is 21,000. You can try arrow function for this particular reduce method by yourself and let me know how it goes by providing a comment. So this is how we can use filter, sort, map, and reduce methods. Okay, that is the end of this session. Thanks for watching.